Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can find the center of mass of our body in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user, where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So here is our body, and we will find the center of mass of our body. So for this we are going to use a micro in FreeCAD. So for this, click on the tools and then add-on manager, and on add-on manager scroll down, and here you will see a micro center of mass. Install the micro. I have already installed it. So while installing, click on the install, and you will get a pop-up window to add as an icon. So click on S so that it will be added as an icon. Now we can run this macros in two ways. Select the body, go to the macro, and here you will get the center of mass. Click on execute, so center of mass will be activated. Or you can select the body and click on the icon. Now it will be get activated. Now if we see center of mass, so here is a density kg per meter cube. You can change it as per your requirement, and now you can select the material from here. So I select the steel 1C45. so you can see that density is showing here 7800. And now to check the center of mass, tick mark here and here. Now you will see that here is a one ball is activated, which is a center of mass. You can increase its size, and here is a value of our center of mass. And if you see in a browser tree, so best part of this micro is that here is a box has been added. If you press the space bar, so you can see that a box has been created, and it is perfectly showing the raw size of material required to manufacture this part. So you can see that if this part is going with machining operations, then how much maximum material is required, which is the length, width and height. So this is the very cool thing about this macro. And if you click on edit material list, and if I in a drop down I select my material IC45, so I can see the material properties. I can check here how much is the density, Poisson ratio, ultimate strain and etc. of my applied material. So this is a very cool tool in a FreeCAD to get the center of mass